Hi there, and welcome to BSF Recovery Team. Well, we finally got some warm weather here in Wisconsin, so we spent the day with Mara's help cleaning the garage because we have a bunch of work to do this spring. As you can see, I got the big old beast of a Bobcat in here because we got to do some serious repair work to that, along with a bunch of maintenance on the wrecker and repairs that we didn't get done last fall. The wrecker's been sitting since the March run. Now we got to go start it and bring it into the garage. It's warm out now, so it isn't necessarily a cold start, but do you want to watch anyway?
Alright, let's see if the wrecker will fire up. Couple of things I want you to know about the wrecker. This Holley carburetor that we have sitting on top of it has a tendency to leak fuel or evaporate fuel out of the float bowls. So when it sits for a period of time, it takes a little while to get fuel up to the carburetor. I don't have one of those check valve filters in there or anything like that. The other thing I want you to know is this Holley carburetor has no choke. Not that it's something I can fix, it's just it simply does not have one. It's not there, non-existent. So we get to play thumper on the gas pedal to get it to fire up. Oh, there she goes. Now, we just let it idle, it warms up. Again, because we have no choke, if we stomp on the throttle right now, she'll fall flat on her face. Alright, that should be enough. We'll see if we can get her in the garage.
Okay, there we go. Now, we're going to have some late nights because we have a long list of things we need to do before Memorial Weekend. As you can see on the bench here, one of the things we're doing is we have a new used winch to put on the front of the wrecker. Because if you remember from our winter run, that old ox winch back there is pretty wore out. I saw that drum moving up and down quite a bit, and we couldn't get the cable to free spool out. Parts aren't available for that winch anymore. So we went and picked up ourselves an M 12,000 pound Warn used. Seems to work good, and we'll be setting that in that front bumper. One of the other things that we are going to do is we're going to do a long-term test for Oxmart on their winch rope here. We'll see how that holds up on the wrecker, but before we put that on, we have to do some repair to our boom. We have to install a new pulley. I have this one here. It's a little bit smaller than the one that's in there, but I think it'll work, and it also has a grease fitting on it, which is a bonus. So we'll see if we can fabricate that on there. The winch rope, the new winch on the front, and we got a lot of maintenance to do. Things like I didn't pack the front wheel bearings last fall, so we got to take the whole front end apart, pack the bearings, service the hubs. If there's any of that in specific that you would like me to film and post, let me know. So if you don't want to miss any of that and you haven't subscribed already, click that red subscribe button. Thanks for watching BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling. Stay safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods.